Crypto.com, a popular cryptocurrency exchange platform, has added Reddit's Moons token to its DeFi wallet, enabling users to exchange the token with over 100 other cryptocurrencies on its platform. This move makes the token more accessible to the broader crypto community. Moons are tokens that Reddit launched on the Ethereum Rinkeby testnet in May 2020 as part of the platform's community points system. These tokens are awarded to users based on their contributions to the subreddit community, with more engaging posts earning more moons. Speculation about the token's listing on Kraken, another major crypto exchange, has diminished, although the exchange has expressed interest in listing more Ethereum tokens in the past. Despite the recent developments, Moons are still largely experimental, and Reddit is testing different uses for the tokens, like using them for tipping and purchasing Reddit Premium. While this marks a significant step for the token's accessibility, it remains to be seen how it will impact the token's overall adoption and use across the Reddit platform.